Gotu Kola Sambola. Good day everyone, the people of Sri Lanka. Make a curry with rice, the staple food, and add a mellow sambol. Making a Gotu Kola Sambola from that addition is a very tasty dish. How to make delictions? First we take a bunch strongly and remove its impurities. Then we need same two ingredients to make this sambol. Delictions, 1 tablespoon of salad on. Finally, chopped onion on, lime, and 2 oils of coconut. Then we add a tablespoon of finely chopped onion, chili powder, lime juice. Then can add this sambol. Will blanched meal in addition to meal rice and curries. Which arrow will you can add this Gotu Kola Sambola from and enjoy the meal deliciously. So you thank you. Make this delicious Gotu Kola Sambola and have delicious meal. Stay tuned to Black Coral Studio with 2 interesting steps like this. Subscribe and click the bell icon. See and share with other friends. Have a nice day. Thank you so much to all my viewers for watching my videos. That with other videos, stay tuned to with Black Coral Studio. Thank you.